Hey guys, it's me, Galaxy Tales and Friends, and in today's video, I am playing Dandy's World as Shelly. Oh my god, Glisten? Is Glisten on the board or something? I did not expect to get him on floor 2. Oh! Cosmo. Got a real good scare! Jesus. Anyways. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. Who in the Shelly shell just died? Cause how do you die on floor 2? It's the second floor of the entire run. Who died? That's my question. Low key, I feel like playing as Squirm. Oh, crap. Well, did anybody see that? My game started lagging. Wait, who died? Actually, I don't remember. I don't remember who died. I'm just gonna go on this one, actually. Shelly, you just ruined it. My skill check is already big. I don't need a skill check candy. You know, maybe if I was playing as Cosmo, that would be useful. But, like, I'm not. I mostly main Shelly. Oh my god, this is so rude. Oh, free box of chocolates. Thank you. Nobody's distracting. Why is this brusher so focused on extracting? Oops. We got brusher with our 20/20 vision. I don't know how you could have seen me. I mean, like, I have 3-star health. I mean, stealth. Everyone makes mistakes. Trust. I wonder how big my skill check is gonna be after I eat this skill check candy. Yeah, it's just the same. There's like little to no difference. Actually, I don't think there's a difference at all. Anyways, question. What was your first main? Mine is Shelly because she's the only main I have. Because getting research on mains are just basically impossible. Because mains for me only have like a 0.1% chance of spawning, and every time I do, oh, I wasn't paying attention. My game glitched. So I did not see Brusha there. Or maybe I'm just blind and I'm making up excuses to seem not blind. Potato, potato. Same thing. Low-key, let's be for real. Why is this Yada so fixed on extracting, low-key? Because she took my machine in the first floor. Ooh, no creepypasta. Faceless Shelly. Y'all. I'm not delusional. Whoa, okay. New Easter egg. That's so majestic. New Easter egg. I did not even know you could do that for real. Ooh, a machine right here. Hopefully no Twisted comes after me. What? That was weird. My game started glitching. That was not very pleasant. I'm just gonna eat this extraction speed candy real quick. Oh, perfect. Let me just... I'm trying my best. Yes, Shelly. Yes, you are. You are indeed. Oop, just realized that I'm running. Oh, hey, Razzle and Dazzle. You know, I was thinking like somebody came out of nowhere and then just griefed me. That would be funny. Actually, no, that wouldn't be. That would hurt my feelings. Where's the last machine? Do you guys know where it is? Cause girl. Oh my god, Tisha's right there. Oh. I wonder who did that. I'm gonna go see if I can find any more items, Loki. Oh, I'm right here next to the elevator. How convenient. Well, anyways, I'm just gonna wait for my... Wait. Toodles is extracting. She has a 2-star extracting speed. Oh my god, this is gonna be so slow. You know what, while we're here... Oh, never mind, okay. You know what? I think I glitched for a sec. Anyways. I think we're just going to work this, Loki. I need the stamina. Let me just circle. Why am I just... Why are we circling our matchmaking team? Because what is this? I don't know. Oh wait, the Easter egg. Hold on. Dang it, I couldn't. V? Oh my god, V! I need research on V. Oh my god, what are the chances? Oh my god, I got blessed by the dandy gods! Oh my god! Praise the Lord! Praise the dandy gods has answered my prayers! Oh my god. You know, I take back what I said about main spawning at like a 0.1% chance. Oh my god! My luck! It's to the roof! Man, stupid bee advertising made me miss my skill check. That was so... I think my teammates are gonna think that I'm an idiot now because I missed my skill check. I only missed my skill check because these advertisements... What the freak? No. Time for me to get out of here. Thank you. I didn't even get that. That has to be V's research for sure. Oh my god, now I'm at down to 1 heart. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, V. You're such a nice person. Remember when I said the Dandy's gods had blessed me? Yeah, never mind. The Dandy's gods must hate me because what the flip? Yet now convinced that the Dandy gods just hate me because what do you mean? Shelly came out of nowhere and decided, you know what? Yeah. How? How did she even see me? Stupid Yada research. Man, I wanted V. I'm gonna go back to finishing my machine because what was that? Wait, does that mean I get more V research? Is it worth it? Mo! Is it worth it? Not a chance. Is the V research losing 1 heart worth it? You know what? Heck yeah! It's worth it. It's pretty fair in my opinion. Pretty fair. Some more research capsules here. Oh. Yeah, I mean it's kind of fair. I get research, she takes 1 of my hearts. You see? Life's not always fair. But here it is. Move out of the way. I do not care about your stupid advertisements. Can I finish my machine? Yada, that stupid piece of crap. You know what? Sorry. I'm coming off a bit rude. What I meant to say was, Yada, that machine stealer. She stole my machine. Does she need the ichor that bad? Cause, wait. Oh, I was about to ask where Brighton was. No, she's still here. Hang on to my freaking eye. Dandy, can I have a med? I got hit by V right now. Dandy, can you come and cut? This is not what I wanted, man. I'm at 1 heart. Can't you see I'm about to die? Anyways, here. I feel like a certain spot, or I have to like. There we go. Since when did you? I wonder who's on this floor. Ah, no! Anybody but the ankle biter. I'm telling you. Every time I distract as Louie, I'm not distracting as Louie right now. I'm playing as Shelly because I main her a lot. But like every time I play as Louie, distracting as Louie, that dumb little gremlin decides to take my hearts. Whenever I'm distracting on full hearts, I'm actually doing good. Full hearts on Louie. The running shoes and the dog plush, and then the Toodles have the audacity to be so speedy on her full crawling on all fours, which is so dumb. I don't get why anybody's like crawling on like all fours just to chase some toots. Like, I'm not even making sense right now. I hate this stupid ankle biter. I hate you. Go die. Go die. Go die. Oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. I'm dead. Just get this gremlin off me. No. 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 This is why I hate being out of stam. No. No, Toodles. I apologize. I want to apologize. Ah! I take back what I said. Oh my god, even apologizing didn't stop her. Only if that dumb V didn't hit me. Actually, I want to see my research on V now, okay? I'm gonna strangle myself. Okay. You know, sometimes things have great responsibilities. And Goob! He's on the board. Since when? This guy's gonna be even more annoying. But whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video attempting to do a Shelly run. But I died thanks to the stupid crawling on all fours dumb gremlin. And yes, the ankle biter. Like the cool Easter egg. But whatever. I don't even think it was an Easter egg. But whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Is playing Shelly. This is like very shorter than my other Dandy's World gameplay videos. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like I always say in literally every single one of my videos, Galaxy Tales and Friends out.